Hello, good morning, children. This is Vidisha ma'am here with computer. Today we'll read computer, chapter 4, page number 29. Chapter 4, page number 29. So, what is the name of the chapter? Tux Paint. What is the name of the chapter? Tux Paint. Children, Tux Paint we have already read in class 3. But in this class, we will read more features of Tux Paint. Before proceeding, I want to explain you that TuxPaint is a software. TuxPaint is a software. Now, what is software? Software is a program which we cannot touch, but we can work on that. Okay, like WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, we can do our work like sending videos, texting, calling, sending audios, photos, everything, no? We can work on that. In the same way we are doing on Facebook. In the same way in class 3 we have done MS Paint, no? In that also we have done with the we have work on that. In the same way Tux Paint is also a software. Tux Paint is also a software which is used for drawing and painting, and this software is very famous. Means in most of the schools teachers are going through this software, okay, to make the children understand about the painting program. Okay, now we are starting the chapter. Children, I am not going to read the chapter as it is long chapter. I have to complete, no, that's why I'm not reading. I'm just explaining you topic wise. Shapes tools is used to draw various filled and unfilled polygonal shapes. Okay, when we have to insert the shapes, okay, we are inserting the shapes with this tool, okay, with this one. This is shapes tool, okay, this is shapes tool, and with the help of that we can draw different type of shapes. Okay, so whatever shapes we want to draw, we can draw with the help of shapes tool, like circle, like triangle, like square, like rectangle, like diamond, like star. So children, whenever we want to insert the shapes in our Tux Paint, we can use this tool to draw the shapes. Okay, understand? And with the help of that, we can draw filled or unfilled shapes. What is the meaning of filled and unfilled? Filled means if we insert color in this, it is filled, and when we do not insert any color, it is unfilled. Okay, means if there is any color inserted in the shapes, it is filled, and when there is no color in the shapes, it is unfilled. Shapes tool, I hope you understand. Okay, now we'll do eraser tool. Come to page number 30. Eraser tool. Eraser tool is used to erase unwanted parts of the picture. It is very easy to use. Children, the way you are using your eraser, no? The way you are using your eraser. Why we use eraser? If by mistake we have done some wrong, whatever we are writing, we have done some mistake, then we use eraser to erase that. Okay, in the same way in Tux Paint also we use eraser to erase. With that, okay, this is the shapes, this is the icon by which we are able to use the eraser tool. How does it look? It look like this. Okay, with the help of this we use eraser tool to erase any unwanted part of the picture. Understand? Okay, now next, new tool. We cannot work in a single file forever. We always make different files for different drawings. Children, the way when you have came in class 4, you use new notebooks, no? And class 3 notebook, you have used class 3 notebook? No. For class 4, you are using your new notebook. In the same way, if we want to use a new we want to draw some new thing in our Tux Paint, then we use new tool, and with the help of this we can insert the new tool. How does it look? It look like this, and it is written here new. Why we use new tool? To open a new file to draw something new. Okay, new file is used to open a new file. Tool is used to open a new file to draw something new. Means if you have drawn, for example, this is my file and I have drawn here one flower. Okay, now you want to make a scenery. How you will make in this? No, na? So we can use a new file with the help of new tool, and with the help of this we can insert the new tool. Understand? 3 steps I have discussed: shapes tool, eraser tool, and new tool. Shapes tool is used to insert shapes. With the help of this we can insert. Eraser tool is used to erase anything unwanted. With the help of this we can use eraser tool. And new tool is used to open a new file to draw something new. Understand? Now we come to page number 31. Drip magic. What happens when you sprinkle drops of water on a drawing made with a sketch pen or a letter which is written using ink pen? Children, actually this always happens with you all. What is drip magic? Drip magic means the way your ink pen is got sprinkled, no, in your textbook, in your notebook, that is drip. In the same way, we can also use drip magic in tux paint. We can also use drip magic in tux paint. Okay, so from which tool we can use, from which shape we can use? From this. If we will use this, then we are able to use the drip magic effect. And when we apply the drip magic effect, it look like this. It look like this. You are getting a sprinkle drops in all this. Hello, I am learning tux paint. You are getting a sprinkle drops. That is called drip magic. Clear? Now, edges effect. It is a very unique feature in tux paint. We can differentiate the edges from an already drawn image. If example, I have drawn this image. Okay. Now, I want to apply the edges effect. When we apply the edges effect, it will look like this. Clear? What does it happen here? What does it happen? It differentiates the edges from an already drawn image. It differentiate the अलग कर देता है एज को जो already drawn image है उसमें से. Like this. This is before written, no? But when we apply the edges effect, what does it do? It already differentiate between the picture given, drawn image. Understand? Okay, again I am explaining. Shapes tool help us to insert a different shapes. Eraser tool is used to erase something. New tool is used to open a new file to draw something new. Drip magic is used to allow to sprinkle or drops of water on something written like this. Okay, and with the edges tool we can differentiate the edges from the already drawn image. Clear? Now next, foam effect. You must have seen your mother washing your clothes. Whenever she adds washing powder to the water, you see a lot of foam. Yes, children, when your mother adds some washing powder to our water, are you getting foam? Have you seen foam? See, you surf, no? Surf excel or whatever. Then we get a foam. That is called foam effect. But how does it look when we apply the foam effect? It look like this. It look like this, like a foam of water. Clear? Like a foam of water. And it is very clear from the name also, children. Okay, it is very clear from the name also. Grass effect. To draw grass, you can simply use the grass effect from the sub toolbox to draw neat and tidy grass. Okay, so whenever we are adding any type of effect, we will first go in magic tool, then we'll apply the grass effect. Okay, what does the grass effect do? You're getting here, it looks like a grass, no? Wait, you can see from your book also. If we want to insert a grass, we can use the grass effect and it will look like this. It will look like this. Okay, now there are two more effects, that is starfish effect and vine effect. What are the two more effects? starfish effect and vine effect. What is starfish effect? Children, you have seen starfish. Actually, it looks like a starfish. And if you have drawn a scenery, as we have used with the help of foam effect, we applied foam. With the help of grass effect, we applied grass. In the same way, if you want to insert starfish, we can use the starfish effect. Clear? So, whatever we have learned, what we have understand, that whatever effect we want to apply in text pen, we can apply with the different type of subtool box. Okay. Now, what is vine effect? To make our drawing more colorful, we are using the vine tool to give a better look. Clear? Have you understand, children? Okay. So, two more effects are there. Rainbow and real rainbow effect, noise effect, smudge effect, wave effect and wavelets effect. What are all this? Okay. Real rainbow and real rainbow. Children, have you seen rainbow? Yes, you have seen. Now, what is the difference between rainbow and real rainbow? Rainbow effect draws a train of rainbow colors as you drag the magic wand on the drawn area. When we apply the rainbow effect, it look like this. Means with the help of different 7 colors, we can draw the rainbow effect. But when we apply the real rainbow, allows you to draw a rainbow that we see in the sky after a rainfall. Okay. Children, when we see the rainbow in the sky, always it doesn't look like this. Sometimes it look like this, because when it rains, the rainbow look like this. What is the difference then? Rainbow effect applied like this, and real and rainbow look like this. You can apply any of the effects, rainbow effect or real rainbow effect. Understand? Okay. Now, noise effect. Noise effect is used to add white noise to our drawing. So, what is noise effect? What is the meaning of white noise? Sometimes while watching television, the TV signal suddenly disappears. At the time, you see thousands of black and gray dots on your screen with some noise. That is called the black noise. White noise is a mixture of gray, blue, maroon and white dots. Okay. Children, whenever we are watching our television, when the signal goes, then automatically a screen came that looks black and gray with a black and gray dots, and there is some sound like this. That is called black noise. Okay. And what is white noise? White noise is a mixture of gray, blue, maroon and white dots. As black noise is a mixture of black and gray dots, but white noise is a mixture of gray, blue, maroon and white dots. Again, I am making you understand what black noise is a mixture of black and gray dots, but white noise is a mixture of gray, blue, maroon and white. When does we get the black noise? We get the black noise when the signal disappears from our TV. Okay. So, how we will apply the white noise? We can apply the white noise from this signal, from this signal. Understand? And as you are getting in the picture, that small dots is called white noise. Okay. Now we'll come to smudge effect. It is used when we draw water bodies in our drawing. It is used to mix two different objects smoothly. Children, smudge. What is the meaning of smudge? Smudge means to mix two colors. Smudge means to mix two colors. Smudge means to mix two colors. So, whenever we want to mix two colors, we use the smudge effect. Okay, we use the smudge effect. Now next, wave effect. This effect is used to wiggle any picture side to side, horizontal. And wavelets means wiggle your picture up and down, means vertical. Now, what is the difference between waves effect and wavelets. Wave and wavelet. First we understand waves effect. Children, wave effect, wiggle. Have you seen waves? It does like this now. So what does wave effects do? It wiggle any picture horizontally. Horizontally means this, okay? Side to side. What does wave effect do? It wiggle any picture horizontally means side to side, like this, side to side. ऐसे कर देता है picture को. But wavelets, what does wavelets do? It wiggle any picture up and down means vertically. Side to side means horizontally and up to down means vertically. Clear? So how does it looks? It look like this. देखो ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है ना. So wave means it is in the form of this, no? Wave means this. Wave means this. So wave effect wiggle any picture horizontally like this, but like this. Understand? Wave effect. But wavelets do like this. Wiggle any picture up and down means vertically. Clear? So what we have understand today, children, how we have to apply this we will see in the school lab. What is the features, what is the meaning of all the tools I have explained you. Again I am discussing shapes tool is used to draw various type of shapes with the help of polygon tools. Eraser tool is used to erase. New tool is used to apply a new file to draw something new. Drip magic effect is used to scatter the drip like water, like this. Clear? Edges effect is used to differentiate the edge from an already drawn image. Okay, not only this, if we have drawn square and if we want to differentiate it, we can differentiate with the help of edges tool. Foam effect, like the way washing powder is added into water, the foams come out. In the same way, foam effect works. Grass effect, it is very clear from the name. Grass effect is used to apply a grass on the picture. Then rainbow and real rainbow. Rainbow effects mainly draws a train of rainbow colors like this. But real rainbow allows you to draw a rainbow that we see in the sky after a rainfall like this. Okay. Then noise effect. Noise effect is used to add water to our noise. What is the difference between black noise and white noise? Black noise is that we get when the signal disappears from our TV and it is in the color black and gray dots. But white noise, it also produces noise in the picture, but it is in the form of gray, blue, maroon and white dots. Okay. Smudge effect means to mix two colors smoothly. To mix two colors smoothly. Smudge means to mix two colors. Wave effect means to wiggle any picture side to side. Side to side means horizontally. And wavelets means to wiggle your picture up and down means vertically. Children, I hope you understand and please try to go through the chapter properly, and whatever videos I am posting, please go through that very properly. Thank you and have a very nice day. Bye.